Care Plus. Now, one of the reason why we highlight the Care Plus, one, we are seeing something massive consolidation within triangle pattern since back in 17 March. So this pattern was completed earlier following last Friday breakout move, particularly when the stock is breaking above the pattern neckline on the back of higher trading volume. Overall momentum is actually quite positive. You can see RSI continue to ride along its long-term average line, while MACD has just entered what we call that above the zero territory. So despite yesterday a little bit of what we call that weaker price action, we think in general the trend structure has started to shift upward. So because of that, we think there's a decent chance for the stock to trade higher, as we put that the technical target is actually at 35.5 cent and 41.5 cent, while the support or the cut loss level should be at 27.5 cent. And then we have a DRB Highcom. So the Highcom, the massive so-called decline here was pretty much kept within at 131 cent region. So the stock apparently has built some kind of the baseline. You see number of the formation rounding south pattern was formed, and we are seeing a new series of high-low structure since early June. So the stock is actually continue to ride higher, and the breakout move on Tuesday, 18 July, has pretty much kickstart a new upcycle. The subsequent consolidation saw the stock has actually built a new baseline above the red line over here, which represented by 200-day moving average. So we think there's a decent chance for the further up move, particularly as per yesterday again, on the back of new uptick in RSI. So you see on the RSI, momentum remain on the upside. Now, MACD also pointing upward, so we think there's a decent chance for the stock to continue to recover and re-challenging the next resistance level at 160 cent, and the next technical target is actually pegged at 175 cent, while the support will be at 137 cent. Last but not least will be VIX dynamic. The reason why we highlight, because the stock, again, a similar pattern with DRB just now, but it is forming quite larger rounding bottom kind of pattern. So this rounding bottom could actually signal what we call that a bullish reversal kind of move, and you see a spike of the volume profile over here, suggesting that there's a plenty of accumulation has been done, particularly within this zone. Now, the new high-low structure saw the stock is actually establishing a new base above 41 cent. You see a new series of high-low structure right above 13-day moving average, and the breakout above the 88-day moving average over here has kickstart a new upcycle. Momentum is positive. D trend has entered positive territory, so we think there's decent chance for the stock to rebound it further. With the next technical target is actually at 48.5 cent and 55.5 cent, while the support will be at 39.5 cent.